morning,
Good morning,
children.
teacher.
Welcome to Melu Classroom. Today we are going to learn a new topic which is called big and small. So we will learn why an object is called big and why an object is called small. And we will see few examples. Then we'll go to a hands-on activity. But before all these, we will have an interesting segment which is a rhyme. Okay, children? So are you all ready? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, children. As I told you, this is our new topic for the day. What is that? It is big and small. And I told you there is a rhyme. Am I right? Yes. So we are going to sing a rhyme on big and small. But you have to observe me very carefully and how my hands are moving. Then you should tell me what is called big and what is called small. Okay, children? So let us have a rhyme. Okay. Roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. Roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. Did you observe, children? So for you, I will do one more time. Okay, observe my hands very carefully. Roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. Roly-poly, big, big, big. And roly-poly, small, small, small. Yes, children. Here I was showing my hands like this and I am bringing my hands closer, right?
Yes.
So what is meant by now big and small? Yes, maybe you have understood when I am taking my hands apart, there is a size, right? And when I am bringing my hands together, it is closing, right? So this is wide. I am making my hands wide and then bringing my hands to close. So big and small concept is related to the size of an object, children. So when I am showing this much, right? And when I am showing only this much, so what I am talking about? It is a size of an object. This much size and only this much of size, right? So when I am showing this much, it is termed as big. And when I am showing like this, it is small. Okay, now let us see few examples on big and small concept. And children, you please remember when there is a big and small, it is in terms of size of an object. It is in terms of size of an object. Okay, children? Yes. Now let us see on the panel. There are few examples which are big and few are in small. Okay?
Yes.
Come with me. I'll show you. Right, children. What I told you, big and small concept is related to the size of an object. So when you are using these two words, it is meant for size of an object. Now see on the panel, we have few examples. Okay? See here. What is this? Yes, it is a lion. What is this? Tortoise, right? So when you compare these two animals, which is big and which is small? Big, small. Yes, lion is big and tortoise is small. Right, children? Yes. Now we'll see one more example. See here. There is a beautiful flower and there is a bee. So there is an insect bee. And now tell me, is flower is big or bee is big? No. Yes, flower is big and bee is small. Now let us see. Here there are two vehicles. One is truck and the other is car. Now tell me, children, is truck big or car is big? Or is truck small or car small? So right children, the truck is big in size and car is small in size. Now let us move to one more example. So we have two animals here. One is elephant and the other is rabbit. And now tell me which animal is big in size and which animal is small in size. Right, you are right. It's a right guess, children. Elephant is big and rabbit is small. Now we'll see the last example. We have two fruits here, watermelon and cherries. So you have to tell me which fruit is big in size and which fruit is small in size. Right, you can see melon is big and cherry is small. Okay, so we have seen all these examples, right children? So let us tune it. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Yes children, shall we tune it? Right. Big, 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 small, small, small. Big, 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 small, small, small. Lion is big. Tortoise is small, lion is big, tortoise is small. Flower is big, bee is small, flower is big, bee is small. Truck is big and car is small. Truck is big, car is small. Elephant is big. Rabbit is small. Elephant is big and rabbit is small. Melon is big. Cherry is small. Melon is big and cherry is small. All the big, big, big and all small, small, small. That is what make us all. Okay, children? Yes, so we have learned a beautiful rhyme and examples why the object is called big and why the object is called small. Now let us see few more examples waiting for you in line. Okay? Right. So can you see here? See children what I have brought for you. I have brought balls. 2 balls. Okay? Then I brought an insect. It is housefly. Then this is dolphins, right? So I brought 2 dolphins for you. Then this is also a water animal. It is prawn, and even dolphin also water animal, children. So prawn. Prawns also water animal, and I brought 2 prawns for you. Then these are circles, right? So we have 2 circles here. So why I brought all 2 in number, children? Do you know? Can we recollect? Yes, children. So, but you tell me why I brought all objects 2 in number. I can bring only 1 also, right? Yes, but I brought everything 2 items. But why is that? Right. So when we want to say this one object is small and one object is big, what we are doing there? We are comparing the objects. Am I right, children? So you please go back to the lesson and recollect what I told you. One object will be big and one object will be small, and you can tell this based on the size of an object. Right. And when can you say the size of an object is big and small? Yes, we have to compare. So you must have 2 objects in your hand when you are doing comparison. Okay. So when you compare the 2 objects in terms of size, then only you can say one is big and the other is small, or one is big and the other is small, something like this. Right. So I will take one in my hand and let us have the examination on that and will tell which object is big and which object is small. Okay, shall we do that? Yes. See here, children. Okay, I have 2 balls in my hand. Yes, and as I told you, you can compare the objects when you have 2 in number, when you have 2 objects in number. If I have only this ball in my hand, can I say this is big or small? No, right? So I have to have one more also in my hand to compare. Then only I can say the big and small very well. So now tell me, and we have already known that these big and small can be done based on the size of an object. Yes, children. So now tell me, which ball size is big? Right, this ball size is big and the other is small. Right, so you rightly understood, children. So this is big ball and this is small ball. Yes, children. So we have already understood that we can compare 2 objects in terms of size and can say one object is big and the other is small. So let us see the groups here. Here we have 2 balls and our task is to circle the small object. Now tell me, when you compare these 2 balls, which is small in size? Yes, this is small in size. So circle it. Right, children? And we will move on to next group, which is cycle group. Okay? And we have 2 cycles and we should compare the size of an object and tell which cycle is small. See, when you compare, which is small, children? Yes, the upper cycle is small. So I am circling it. Right, children? And we'll move on to the next group, which is a clock group. We have 2 clocks and we need to compare the size of the clock and tell which is small. So when you compare these 2 clocks, they are not same in size, right? One is big and one is small. Which one is small? Yes, the down clock is small. And see here, children, the last group, which is bear group, and we should tell which is small bear. Right. So when you compare these 2 bears, the size of 2 bears is not same. This is big and this is small. So we need to circle the small bear. Right, children? So hope you understood how we can say when we compare 2 objects which is big and which is small. Now your job is to go around your home, find out few things and try to identify which one is big and which one is small. And now let us move on to the hands-on activity with clay. Yes, children. Now I am ready with the clay. See here? Right. So what we are going to do with this clay? I am going to make 2 balls. And you should tell me which ball is small and which ball is big. Okay, children? Right. So you also do like this. You have to make a proper ball first by using your fingers. Okay. So when you are doing like this, your fingers will get strengthened up. Okay, children? Right. So I am dividing the clay into 2 portions. And again I am making a proper round by using my palm and fingers. Okay? Right. See, my 2 balls are ready. Yes, but they are not same in size. Am I right, children? So do you understand? Yes, I am done with my 2 balls with clay, right children? But I made them into 2 different sizes. So can you observe? Are these 2 balls same in size? No, right? One is big and the other is small in size. So which one is small and which one is big, children? And we also know that we should compare an object in terms of size. Then only you can see big and small. So when you compare the size of an object, now here ball, right? So this is small in size and this one is big in size. So I can say this is big ball and this is a small ball. Okay children? Right. So hope you know and hope you understood the concept very well. And please do some hands-on activity like with clay or flour. Okay, atta also you can take and try to make it into balls. One is big and one is small. So did you understand children? Yes. So we are done with the class. See you in the next class. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.